Most people want to start a business, but they stay stuck because they fear failure, low profit, or heavy competition. The truth is, profit does not come from big money. It comes from smart ideas, correct timing, and focused execution. Today, new technologies, changing buying habits, and global online demand are creating fresh business opportunities that were impossible just a few years ago. In this video, we are sharing 8 profitable small business ideas worth starting in the new era. Number 1. Smart Micro SaaS Toolkit. Create a simple software tool that solves one small business problem like invoice tracking, team attendance, or daily sales reports. Build using no-code platforms. Sell monthly subscriptions globally. Focus on one problem only and offer fast, simple, and affordable solutions. Number 2. AI Prompt Product Store. Design industry-specific AI prompts for businesses, teachers, recruiters, lawyers, and creators. Package them as downloadable products. Sell through a simple website. The key is solving real problems and not just offering generic AI commands. Number 3. Local Brand Packaging Studio. Offer professional packaging, design, and branding for small food brands, home bakers, cosmetic startups, and organic sellers. Combine digital design with physical packaging sourcing. Small brands pay premium for attractive, shelf-ready packaging. Number 4. Remote Tech Support Agency. Provide on-demand tech support for globally based small businesses. Services can include website fixes, CRM setup, cloud storage help, and cybersecurity basics. Build a skilled remote team and offer support via monthly service plans. Number 5. Digital Compliance and Licensing Service. Help startups and small businesses with registrations, tax filings, company incorporation, and digital compliance services. Most entrepreneurs hate paperwork. Your business earns from convenience and professional handling, both locally and globally. Number 6. Smart Home Automation Setup Service. Design and install smart home systems like security cameras, lighting automation, voice-controlled devices, and energy monitoring. This service has strong demand from modern homeowners and apartment societies in urban areas. Number 7. Personal Knowledge and Skill Marketplace. Create a platform where professionals sell short learning programs based on real experiences. Examples include quick finance, mastery, marketing, psychology, leadership habits, or automation tools. You earn commission from every program sold. Number 8. Vertical E-commerce Brand Studio. Instead of selling random products, build multiple niche e-commerce brands under one umbrella. Each brand focuses on one industry like pet care, wellness, travel gear, or office products. This model scales faster with focused branding. If you found these ideas valuable, remember that a powerful idea alone is not enough. You also need strong promotion strategies to turn ideas into real income. To learn exactly how to market your business the smart way, watch our next video on 35 business marketing strategies for new business. It will help you grow faster and avoid costly mistakes.